Hey guys, today's new video. This video is a how to repair your corrupted memory and unformatted and undeleted memory card. Okay, now go show your my memory card removal disk FAT32 not details capacity not show because if memory card is lost, it's error and unsupported and not formatted and undeleted not show details. Okay, first you go to your setting option and search button and type the comment CMD and type the enter and just click the CMD. This port is open. Okay, now this my comment port is open. Now type the disk part. Simple, type the disk part and enter. Okay, now your message is yes and message contain the yes, and now this partition is on. Okay, now disk partition on, and disk partition level type the list level list disks. Okay, now your all disks is show. First show your 465 GB your computer world hard disk memory card, and second your external memory that is your pen drive, and your memory card that is 7580 my memory card is show. Okay, it is my memory card, and to disk 1 just type the disk part level and click the and type the disk 1 and select disk 1. Remember your disk external disk partition this this level this 1, and my computer disk 0 and external is 1. Click this one and enter the disk and clean up. The first you clean the disk, just type the clean and disk schedule cleaning the disk. Now second the create partition and just type the enter and primary create partition primary enter and disk primary created and type the active and enter and select partition and enter. Now a format partition can you show there is a type you remind this partition is format is this same to same you type it. Okay, and enter. Now if this is formatted, sometime you wait. Okay, now your 100% complete this video is forced, you can show and you sometime wait. My video is forced. Now there is 99% and now 100% is completed, and the successful formatted this volume. Now your disk set repaired and formatted successful. Now your disk set capacity show your memory. Okay, this is properties and capacity will show. And now just example you copy this NEN in this music, and now you copy by second copy and it is simply delete. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and any comment please comment section below. I hope your problem solved. Thanks.